Welcome to another product demonstration. Today we're going to talk about the NikMann S350 panel saw. This is the manual version to our CNC model that we bring in. As you can see, the NikMann S350 is a very simple machine. It comes with a start-stop sequence for the main blade and the scriber blade separately. It's got a semi-automatic rise and fall of the scriber and the main blade, and a semi-automatic tilt. Semi-automatic meaning that it comes with a switch that all you have to do is press up or down and the machine will move. So instead of winding handles and stuff like this, it's all electronic. The crosscut fence also comes along with a digital flip stop, completely standard on the CNC and the basic model, which is the NikMann S350. The unit also has a micro adjustment, so you can move it 1 mil at a time or so. The rip fence comes with standard tape measure and a digital readout for that extra bit of accuracy and ease of use. The locking mechanism is incredibly easy. It's not a lever, it's just a gentle tighten and it will lock it into place. You do not have to force it, you just need to gently lock it. It also does come along with a micro adjustment. As you can see here, I'm turning the handle and the adjustment is moving. Little bit by little bit. Another feature that nearly all of our machines have is the automatic start of the SAM6 dust extractor. So each machine comes with its standard cable, comes with a plug that looks like this, and it connects on the side of the machine, which is just down here. Everything is plug and play, so what will happen is when the machine gets installed and everything put together, when you press the start button, the dust extractor will automatically start by itself.